Hi guys, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss Python programming according to ICT aktu syllabus. According to syllabus, first topic is process of programming. In this topic includes 4 steps. First step is problem description. Means कि उस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम का क्या विवरण है. देन सेकेंड टॉपिक इज मॉडल ऑफ प्रोग्राम एंड देन यू कैन डिसाइड मॉडल ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. एंड सेकेंड स्टेप इज लॉजिकल सॉल्यूशंस. मींस कि यू कैन थॉट्स अ सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ प्रोग्राम एंड देन प्रोवाइड अ सॉल्यूशन कोड. Then I will go to the second topic of this syllabus of ICT Kanpur aktu. Topic is programming cycle of Python. In this topic includes is figure cycle. First is write or edit code. Means you can write or edit the code with editor. Then second step is run with code some inputs, and then satisfies 2 conditions. Set condition is true, then you can go to the next step. Otherwise you can go to the write and edit first step, and your conditions is satisfied, then your program is finished. Thank you so much. Subscribe our channel of easy to learn Python tutorial. Thank you.